Hey there, got a cracked or malfunctioning monitor? No worries. I'm here to guide you on how to fix LG IPS LED monitor screen replacement. Whether you're upgrading or repairing, replacing your monitor screen can give your setup a fresh lease on life, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Before diving in, let's gather everything you need. Make sure you have the following tools and materials: Phillips screwdriver, new LG IPS LED monitor screen, anti-static wrist strap, pry tool or plastic opening tools, clean flat workspace. Step 1. Power down and unplug. First, ensure your monitor is completely powered off and unplugged. This is crucial for your safety. You don't want any electric current running while you're working on it. Wait a few minutes after unplugging to let any residual power dissipate. Step 2. Remove the back cover. Most monitor back panels are held in place with screws and plastic clips. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws. Put them in a safe place so they don't get lost. If there are no visible screws, it might have a snap-in cover. Use a pry tool to gently work your way around the edges and release the clips. Be patient to avoid damaging the plastic. Step 3. Disconnect cables. Once you've removed the back cover, carefully detach any cables connected to the screen. Use the anti-static strap during this process to prevent static charges from affecting the sensitive electronics. These connectors could be flat cables or clips that need gentle pressure to release. Step 4. Remove the old screen. Gently unscrew any screws or release any clips holding the old screen in place. Carefully lift it out of the frame. It might still be connected by some internal ribbon cables. Detach these cables gently. Handle the screen with care to avoid breaking the glass. Step 5. Install the new screen. Take your new LG IPS LED screen and position it into frame. Reattach any ribbon cables or connectors, ensuring they're securely seated. Align the screen properly so it sits flush with the other components. Secure it in place with screws or clips as required. Step 6. Reassemble the monitor. Once the new screen is in place, carefully reattach any internal cables and put the back cover onto the monitor. Use the screwdriver to replace any screws you previously removed. If you needed to pop the back cover off with clips, ensure it snaps back into place evenly without forcing it. Step 7. Test the monitor. Plug your monitor back in and power it up. If everything is correctly installed, your LG IPS LED screen should light up beautifully. Adjust your settings if necessary to ensure everything looks sharp and is working perfectly. And there you have it. How to fix LG IPS LED monitor screen replacement in just a few steps. It may seem a bit daunting at first, but with patience and the right tools, you can upgrade or repair your monitor. Remember, if you're not comfortable performing this yourself or if any issues arise, it's always best to consult a professional technician. Happy fixing!